everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are making meatloaf. I already added the egg, the breadcrumbs, the onions, all of the seasoning, the bell peppers, the onions, and everything. So I'm gonna mix it and we will come back. Thank you. And all right, so I just mixed everything up and make it all combined. And this is 2 pounds of lean meat, by the way, mixed with bell pepper, onions, garlic, 1 egg, and a little bit of seasoning, black pepper, salt, and basil. Was it basil?
No.
What was it? Black pepper, salt, what?
And oregano leaves.
Oregano leaves. There you go. All right. Whatever Papa wants, Papa gets. So I'm going to put this.
One cup of each. 1 cup of onion, 1 cup of bell pepper, and 1 cup of the...
Okay. I hope you guys got that. We'll link that stuff down below.
1/4 teaspoon.
And we preheated the oven to
350.
350 for what? An hour and a half. So we just did a slant here. We're gonna put the tomato sauce and stuff on here. Let me know if you guys had made meatloaf and what you guys put in it. Okay. And okay, so we are on the halfway mark, and we are putting tomato sauce and what else did we mix in it, Daddy?
That's all.
The brown sugar.
Well, yeah, 1 teaspoon brown sugar.
And oregano or basil?
No, basil.
Basil.
About 1/4 teaspoon, about 1/2 teaspoon basil.
It looks delicious. All right, so this is gonna go back in the oven for about
30 minutes.
35 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's 30 minutes.
Yeah, we drained the fat, so this came out. So we normally do that because we just do it.
Yeah, that's
all right.
fat.
Yeah. Hello everybody, and welcome back to our channel. Today I decided to make chicken fried steak.
Yeah,
So
I'm gonna make it for it.
I got mashed potatoes already. These are almost done. That's the brown gravy from scratch. And then over here, yes sir, is the white gravy from scratch. And then over here is the vegetables. I already, ooh, yes sir. So I will get back. I'm gonna let these continue cooking, and then I'm gonna plate it and then get back to you guys. And I hope you guys like it. Subscribe and tell me what you guys think. Have you guys ever made chicken fried steaks, and what do you put in? Comment down below. Talk to you guys soon. All right, guys, this is the final look of the plate. Oh my God, look at that. Get a little closer. Ooh. Mashed potatoes. Yummy. Very easy to make. I will link down below the ingredients and things that you will need if you are interested in making chicken fried steak. Enjoy, and the holidays are coming up, so what shall you guys do, or what should we do? Cookie seasons is coming up. Fun. So if you guys have any suggestions or anything that you guys would like to see, let me know, and I will catch you guys later. Have a good one, guys. Oh my God, yummy. All right, guys, this is all done and plated. What do you guys serve your meatloaf with? Tonight I just made mashed potatoes with brown gravy and peas, and yeah. So this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to dig in. And let me know what you guys put in your meatloaf or what you guys serve. Yeah, just comment down below. All right, I'm about to dig in, guys. Have a good one.